I've been thinking a lot about kitchen space lately and how cluttered it can
Yeah?
get.
Tell me about it. My cabinets are overflowing.
Exactly. So, what if I told you there's a cookware set that could save up to 70% of your space?
Wait, seriously? How does that work?
Well, it's this new 17-piece cookware set by Sensarti, and it has
Okay.
detachable handles.
Detachable handles? That's interesting.
Yeah, so you can stack the pots and pans neatly without the handles getting in the way,
Oh,
making
nice.
storage so much easier.
That sounds like a game changer for small kitchens.
Exactly. Or even for RVs and travel trailers where space is
Right.
at a premium.
So, are the handles sturdy? I mean, do they hold up well?
Absolutely. They've been professionally tested to support up to 22 pounds, so they're really
Wow.
reliable.
That's impressive. But what about the nonstick aspect?
Glad you asked. The cookware features a granite nonstick coating that's free from lead, cadmium, and PFOA, so it's
Mhm.
healthier for cooking.
Healthier and easier to clean, I hope?
Oh, definitely. The nonstick surface means you use less oil and cleaning is a
Nice.
breeze.
That's music to my ears. I hate scrubbing pans.
Same here. And get this, it's dishwasher safe and designed to prevent that annoying black residue buildup
Right.
even after multiple washes.
That's fantastic. Does it work on induction stovetops?
Yes, it does. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction, thanks to its
Perfect.
thick, flat bottom with a high magnetic conductive base.
Sounds like they've thought of everything.
They really have. Plus, it's oven safe up to 480 degrees. Just remove
Oh,
the handle and you're good to go.
that's super convenient. Bake and cook with the same pan.
Exactly. It's versatile. And speaking of convenience, the set comes with fridge storage lids,
Really?
so you can store leftovers right in the pan.
That's a clever addition. Less dishwashing for me.
You're telling me? And here's something cool. They're committed to sustainability.
Oh, how so?
The cookware is made with at least 95% recycled materials, certified by
Wow.
the Recycled Claims Standard.
That's impressive. It's great to see companies going green.
Absolutely. It's a win for us and the environment.
So what's included in the 17-piece set?
It has everything. 2 frying pans, 8-inch and 10-inch, a
Okay.
1.5 QT and a 2.8 QT saucepan, a 10-inch saute pan, a grill pan.
Wait, did you say grill pan?
Yep, a 10-inch grill pan, perfect for those grill marks indoors,
Nice.
plus 2 removable handles, glass lids, pot protectors, and fridge lids.
That's quite the comprehensive set.
It really is. And it's got the Amazon's Choice label, which means it's
Oh,
highly rated and well priced.
that's reassuring. I always look for that when shopping online.
Same here. And the customer reviews are overwhelmingly positive, praising the
Mm-hmm.
non-stick quality and space-saving design.
Any negatives I should be aware of?
Well, a few users mentioned some staining on the bottoms over
I
time,
see.
but overall, the feedback is great.
That's not too bad. So where can I find warranty information?
It's available on the product page. Just click the product warranty link, and you'll get all the
Okay,
details.
perfect. So do you think it's worth the investment?
Honestly, with all the features and the positive reviews, I
Yeah,
think it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen.
you might have me convinced.
Glad to hear it. And think about how much space you'll save and the
True.
convenience of the detachable handles,
I was skeptical at first, but it makes a lot of sense.
right? It's like, why didn't someone think of this sooner?
Exactly. But I do wonder about the durability in the long run.
That's a fair point. But with the professional testing and the handle supporting 22 pounds, it seems
Yeah,
built to last.
true. And the sustainability aspect is a big plus for me.
Same. It's great to have a product that's eco-friendly without sacrificing
Absolutely.
quality.
So where do we get this set?
You can find it on Amazon. Just search for Sensarti 17-piece cookware set, and it should
Got
pop
it.
right up.
Perfect. I think I'm going to give it a try.
Awesome. Can't wait to hear how you like it.
I'll keep you posted. Thanks for sharing all this info.
Anytime. It's always fun talking about kitchen gadgets, especially
Definitely.
ones that make life easier.
Agreed. Well, this has been enlightening.
Glad you think so. Until next time.